If you want to detoxify your liver, your kidney and the intestines and get rid of any form of dirt that could cause health issue, then practice this I am doing now. Get some handful of grape, then put it in your blender and keep it aside. Get one orange, ensure that the orange is ripe. Peel off the outer part, that is the back of the orange, properly, just like what is happening right now. Peel it off properly, then keep it aside. But before then, note that this fruit must be ripe. Do not get any orange that is not ripe, just one orange fruit. Peel it off, then chop it into pieces. As you can see, I've removed the outer part, then cut it into smaller pieces. Remove the seeds totally and pour it in your blender. Note that orange must be ripe. Remove all the seeds. Chop it into pieces as it is happening right now. This mixture will help you to detoxify your kidney, your liver and your intestines. You can see, pour all of them inside your blender. Then bring one apple fruit, peel the back as well. Remember, apple fruit is very nutritional, but this time around we are using it as a medicine, so the medicinal aspect of it is what we are concentrating on. That is why we are removing the back part. You can see what is happening. After peeling it, cut it, ensure you remove the seed as well. Just watch out. Okay, when you are done removing the seeds, you can chop it into smaller particles or smaller pieces. Watch and see how I'm doing it. These are very good fruits for your health. This time we are using it as medicine. Pour all of them inside your blender. The next ingredient we are going to use is ginger. You can see, you cut the ginger, just small size of it. Peel the outer part properly, just like I'm doing it right now. Peel it properly. When you're done peeling it, you're going to cut it into smaller pieces, just like you did to other ingredients. That is the ginger. We are cutting it into smaller pieces to enable us blend it. Remember, ginger is very nutritional and very medicinal. I've done a couple of videos explaining more about the benefits of ginger. If you have not watched any of those videos, I am going to leave the link to those videos under this video so that you can watch it to enable you know the benefits of using ginger. This time around, we are adding it to this mixture to enable us get a mixture or mixture of ingredients we are going to use to detoxify the kidney, the liver and the intestine. Now, after chopping it, pack everything into your blender. We have 4 ingredients there: the grape, the orange, the apple, and the ginger. We are ready to blend. Sit the entire mixture on your blender and blend. When you're done, pour a cup, just 1 cup full, drink it with an empty stomach once every day in the morning for 3 days. This will cleanse and detoxify your system.